Hi, RJ from rjsplatform.com. Thank you for joining me for this Instazon review. So what is Instazon? Instazon is a 7-in-1 software suite that's basically going to help you crush it when it comes to making money online with Amazon. Now everyone's heard of Amazon, and because Amazon's one of the biggest and most popular websites in the world when it comes to people shopping online. But what a lot of people don't know is that Amazon will actually pay you for driving traffic to products on Amazon. So you can either post your own personal product that you own, or you can or you can join their affiliate program and make money as an affiliate of Amazon. And for those that did not know about this program, all you do is you go to Amazon.com. You go down to the bottom here and you see right here where it says become an affiliate. So once you become an affiliate for Amazon, you drive traffic to your website or blog, and look at the commissions that they're going to pay you. 7% on Fire TV devices, 7% on fashion, shoes, and jewelry, 10% on luxury beauty, and the list goes on. So there's several products that Amazon has, and you can make an affiliate commission by driving traffic to a blog or doing YouTube videos or anything along those lines, and you can actually turn a profit from selling things on Amazon, which is already a very sought out website. And Instazon is going to help you do that, because each one of these particular softwares, the 7 softwares that are involved and included in this one product, is going to help you cut through all the red tape. It's going to make it so you don't have to do all the research and all those things in order to be successful online when it comes to building a store and selling things on Amazon. And I'm going to go through these 7 different softwares to help you understand what each of them do. You can go ahead and join me if you'd like by clicking on the link. It's going to take you through to my bonus page, which is what we're looking at right now. So it says Instazon. This is your full Amazon business setup. Beat the pros at the profits game with the most powerful Amazon marketing suite ever created. It's a 7-in-1 and everything you need to rule selling on Amazon. Now, is it the most powerful Amazon marketing suite ever? I'm not really sure, because I'm not familiar with all of them, but I know there are other tools out there. But what I can tell you is, for the value and what everything that's included within these softwares, it will definitely give you an unfair advantage against your competition. Now, I also have a bonus package together that I put together for you all, and anyone that picks it up through my link, it's going to give this out to the first 75 people that choose to click on the link below, come over to my bonus page, click on any of these orange buttons, and if I'm going to give out my bonus package to the first 75 people that decide to support and purchase through my link. Now let's run through these different softwares and you'll know everything that's included in here. Number 1, you get badass video training. And what this is, it's going to cut out all the learning curve for you. So if you've never sold anything on Amazon, or not sure how to set everything up, or how to get it on your blog, or how to drive traffic, or any of those kind of things, this is a very newbie friendly training course that's going to explain all of that to you. Product number 2 in the software suite is the Instazon Product Wizard research software. And what this is going to allow you to do is find the right products to sell or compete against your competitors in any niche within the items that are being sold on Amazon. Now, I also have this demo video right here. If you come on through to my bonus page, and it's going to give you a better explanation of exactly what this software does. Software number 3 is Instazon Search Wizard research software, so that you know what your customers are looking for and where they're looking for those products at. This is another powerful software that comes in this 7-in-1 kit. Software number 4, Instazon Review Wizard research software. It allows you to steal data, niches, and positioning from product reviews. So you go ahead and pick in your keyword and everything inside this software. It's going to pull out other people's reviews, so you can actually see what keywords they're targeting, what products they're selling, and if they have a lot of traffic coming in, and you can see how many people are actually commenting and rating these products, there's a pretty good chance that if you sell a product or either the same product or a similar product, there's a very good chance that you're going to be able to convert and make money on those as well. Again, you can come through to my bonus page, click on down here, because I spent a lot of time making sure that I've really brought value to you today with all these demo videos and clip it so that you can actually see what these different softwares do. So you can go ahead and take a look and see what that software does on my bonus page as well. Software number 5, Instazon Keyword Wizard Research Software. And what this allows you to do is it lets you find the most incredible keywords to target for mind-blowing product discovery. So if you're not, let's say you know that you want to go into, let's say, the bicycle niche, and you not sure what all products are available within the bicycle niche, but it's a niche that interests you. By you putting in the keyword for one, it's going to bring up other recommended items, and it's going to help you basically, it's going to help you come up with other items that you can promote and attach your affiliate link to. Again, come on over and check out the demo video for that particular software as well. This software also, number 6 and 7, there are a couple of plugins. The first plugin is the Amazon Store plugin, and it creates 100% automated stores for Amazon. You just select your niche, and then what happens is this plugin will fill up your store with products related to whatever niche that you select, so you don't have to go through and add them each individually. This software does it all for you. And the 7th product is again another plugin, and what this plugin does is it shows related products on your blog, and which turns your passive blog into a profit maker. And the way it's going to do that is, let's go ahead and take that bicycle niche like I was talking about a minute ago, when you want to sell bicycle helmets. Well, when someone goes onto your blog and they start reading about bicycle helmets, they're also going to see things like maybe a bicycle horn, maybe tires, maybe a bicycle seat, maybe bicycle clothing, and it's going to put all these different related products that are related to your keyword and what you've got your blog on, and it's going to automatically have your affiliate link already on there. So if a person goes through and they click on any of those products, you're going to get paid from that as well. You also have the ability to import items from AliExpress, which is also a really cool thing. So if you want to go to AliExpress, pick up items, import them into this thing, and mark them up and sell them as your own with the profits in there, then that's another thing that this allows you to do. So I'd like you to go ahead, come on over to my bonus page. You can click on any of these orange buttons that are spread throughout my page, which will take you to the sales page. And once you pick it up, once you go through the sales page, you can go ahead and pick up this product. All of the bonuses that I'm going to tell you about here in a minute will all be included in your purchase area when you go to pick this product up. Now, after you get done watching the demo videos, I've also got some questions and some Q&As here for some commonly asked questions that you may have. Now, depending on when you pick this thing up, it kind of depends on what price you're going to get. But it launches on September 22nd, 2018, and it goes through September 28th, 2018. And they're offering an early bird special. Now, I believe that this is actually going to go to monthly regardless after the launch period. But as of right now, you can see that the Elite monthly for 100 searches a month and 2 store websites is the same exact price as the Instazon Suite one-time payment with unlimited searches and unlimited store sites for $12.95. So basically, for a slice of pizza, for the cost of a pizza, you are going to get everything that we include, everything that I just mentioned there on the front end. You're going to get all the 7 softwares, and that also includes the training for you for $12.95. A lot of times these softwares are sold for 2 to 3 times more than that just for one piece of software alone. And this is going to give you a 7-in-1 software suite, which I think is a pretty awesome deal. Now, after the launch period, you can see the price goes up to the Instazon Power Pack for $24 to $55 is what it's going to be for the on the front end. And then the OTO 1 is going to be $67. That's the Instazon Power Pack Pro. OTO 2 is the Instazon Suite Agency for $97 if you want to go ahead and create these sites for clients and start generating income by doing that. OTO 2 is the Instazon Power Pack Pro with rebranding rights, so it's going to actually let you go out and rebrand this thing as your own and you can set up your own sales pages and everything, and you can actually keep 100% of the profits. Now, OTO number 3, the Facebook Seller Power Pack, what this is it's an additional suite of, I believe, 3 additional softwares that help you target social media sites, and not only Facebook, but other social media sites, and help generate income based on targeting and some, basically it's an extra 3 software kits. You have to go through the sales funnel and see if that's something that you're interested in. But for the early bird, or even if you get on this thing on a regular after the launch, this front end offers a really sweet deal. If you're looking for another income stream, or maybe possibly even earning a way to your first income stream, I think Amazon could be a good solution for you, because it's already, like I said, a very highly sought out website. Usually when people are going to look at things to buy online, they go to Amazon. If you can get your items on Amazon, you can get them posted, or if you can generate an affiliate commission from Amazon just from promoting their items, then this is all going to be really good for you. So you can kind of come on through. You can see the sales funnel here. And now let's take a look at my bonuses that I've got for you. I've got Jack Jacker, and what Jack Jacker does is it lets you go through to any authority site. Let's say we talked about bicycle niche, so let's say Sports Authority. So if you were able to go to Sports Authority and have a bicycle on there with your affiliate link in it, people are more likely to buy, because they're actually buying from a brand name or a house name and a company that they're very familiar with. Except for the fact is, you're going to have your affiliate links in there, so you're going to be able to get a commission based on whatever item that you have, or whatever authority site that you're perceiving to be, and it's going to have your domain name and everything in there. Bonus number 2 is your live streaming video profits, and the reason I think this is an important bonus for you is because if you want to go ahead and promote, let's say, bicycle helmets, and you have a YouTube channel promoting bicycle items, if you want to go ahead and start promoting that bicycle helmet on your YouTube channel, then what's going to happen is, by you streaming it live, you're going to end up showing up higher in the search engine when people go to actually type in like best bicycle helmets, for instance. Bonus number 3 is writing compelling headlines, and you want to make sure that you have compelling headlines. You want headlines that are going to draw people's attention in, to make them want to click on it and find out more information about whatever it is that you want them to be interested in, and that's what this bonus is going to do for you. Bonus number 4 is effective content marketing, and you need to know how to write effective content, whether you're following up through an email series, or whether you're through an email autoresponder or follow-up series in your email, or whether you need effective content on your actual blog, where you want to go ahead and give a full description and everything on the product that you're trying to promote. This bonus here is going to help you be more successful with doing that. Bonus number 5, I've got SEO ranking and tracking tactics, and what this is going to do, it's going to show you and teach you how to get your product in the top of the search engine, so that when somebody goes through and looks for a bicycle helmet, this here will show you how you can get your post and your promotion to the top of the Google search engine to increase the chances of you converting a sale. So again, all of these bonuses are available only through my link, through this bonus page, through any of these orange buttons that are throughout. And it would be greatly appreciated if you felt that I brought value. I'd really like for you to support me. I'd like you to like my channel, and let's keep in touch. I mean, I'd really love to build a relationship with my subscribers, not only to show them value in some of these products that I come across, but also potential business ventures. So again, this is RJ from rjsplatform.com. Thanks for joining me today for this Instazon review, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.